Content is better.
Wait, are these two bikes being sponsored by students?
Yeah.
Oh.
These are sponsored by, I think, Rohan and Kyle.
Cat? Oh,
I'm not sure, but I think they put it here.
so one bag like this, how long the cats can eat?
I'm really not sure about this because students create them regularly and different students create them at different times. I mean, it doesn't take long for cats to grow. It might just take them like 6 months to grow as big as a grown-up cat, but I think they're not even 1 year old so far, as you can see, but they're as big as their mom. So this used to be them. They're very little with their mom. I got scratched once because I was trying to feed the mama cat and she was too protective and she scratched me. And I think a lot of students are scratched as well. Oh my god, they're so fierce. For me, I prefer them to stay on campus because this is a culture in China. A lot of campus have animals.
Hi. So, what is the letter on your hoodie means?
The letters are the Russian Cyrillic alphabet. It means it says Fiafan. Fiafan is the name of my cat. I do have a favorite cat. It is the fluffy cat that lived here since the phase 1. We at that time we haven't had phase 2, and this cat was one of the only ones that lived here on phase 1. While this cat wasn't really friendly and he didn't really approach people, it was certainly very interesting to see and look at this cat sometimes and watch it run away while it's a fluffy tummy because a lot of people on campus, they really enjoy having cats and looking at them, feeding them. However, my personal opinion that we definitely need to find them a new owner. It is very I think it's crucial that they live with a person who really cares about them, that gives them all the necessary vaccinations and just gives them a hug or just pets them whenever they want so.
Mimi! Mimi!
Licking her